Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Windows 11 shows no internet access but it is connected. Firstly, right-click on the start icon and select Run, or press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Now, in the Run box, type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter. Now, right-click on your currently active network connection. It will show connected. Then select Properties. In the list, find Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 and check the box next to it and click OK to save changes. Now right-click on the Start menu again and open Command Prompt with Admin Privileges or Windows Terminal. Type ipconfig/flushdns or ipconfig/dns, then press Enter. And done. All you have to do now is restart your PC and test your internet connection. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.